Time to update your vehicle? Take a look at this 2008 Holden Commodore. You could be in the driver's seat of this impressive vehicle with a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, stability control, power mirrors. Anti-lock brakes help to bring your vehicle to a safe stop. It's important to be able to trust in the safety components of the vehicle you purchase. Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.